Welcome back to our SolidWorks Beginner series. In part 1, we covered getting started, how to install SolidWorks, check your system requirements, and understand the user interface. Now, in part 2, we're diving deeper. This session is all about key concepts and terminology. If you've ever wondered what terms like sketch, feature, or mate actually mean inside SolidWorks, this is where we break it all down. Understanding these fundamentals will make every step you take in SolidWorks easier, faster, and more logical. SolidWorks revolves around 3 document types: parts, assemblies, and drawings. Parts are individual 3D objects. Assemblies combine parts into systems, and drawings provide the 2D documentation for manufacturing. At the heart of SolidWorks is parametric modeling. This means that everything is driven by parameters like dimensions and relations. Change a length, and the whole model updates automatically. This is what engineers call design intent, the way you set up a model so it behaves predictably when changes happen. Every model starts with a sketch. Sketches are 2D blueprints drawn on planes or surfaces using entities like lines, circles, rectangles, and splines. You'll notice 3 states: underdefined sketches in blue, fully defined sketches in black, and overdefined sketches in yellow or red. The goal is always to fully define sketches. Once you have a sketch, you turn it into 3D using features. Common features include extrude, revolve, sweep, and loft. You can also apply features like fillet, chamfer, or shell that don't need a sketch. When you build multiple parts, you bring them together in an assembly. Assemblies rely on mates to define how parts interact. Coincident mates lock faces together. Concentric mates align holes and cylinders, and distance or angle mates control spacing and orientation. Drawings are the last step in the workflow. They show standard 3 views, isometric views, section views, and annotations like dimensions, center marks, and bills of materials. Best of all, they stay linked to the 3D model. Update the part, and the drawing updates automatically. Some key terms to remember: origin, plane, sketch, feature, boss, cut, mate, configuration, and design tree. Learn these, and you'll speak the language of SolidWorks fluently. Finally, remember that everything comes back to design intent. If you set up a hole to always stay centered or link fillet sizes to a variable, you save time and make your model reusable. That's part 2, the key concepts and terminology of SolidWorks. In part 3, we'll create our first sketches, apply dimensions, and begin turning ideas into 3D models. Let's keep building your design skills, one step at a time.